Motivational videos on Instagram often go viral and receive many views. This is why there are plenty of earning opportunities in this niche. People are making a lot of money by promoting brands and selling courses, and you can do the same. Let's find out how. These are some popular Instagram pages that upload motivational reels. They have thousands of followers, and their reels get millions of views. The fun fact is that all these people create viral motivational reels using only stock footage and AI voice. There are more pages doing the same thing and gaining thousands of followers. Now you might ask, how do these pages make money? Right, you can see that they have added a link to their bio. If I open each of them one by one, you'll see that they are all selling something. Some sell courses, some sell their services, and some capture emails for email marketing. And in this way, people are making thousands of dollars per month. For example, this guy's selling their course for $37. If even 1,000 people buy the course in a month, they easily earn $37,000, which is a huge amount. And this is true, not a joke. Okay, so let's now learn how you can also create this type of video. First, we need a motivational speech. We will take the help of ChatGPT. Here, I'll teach you 2 methods of writing the script. Both methods are good, but if you want to do something unique, follow the second method. Okay, let's try the first method. By the way, whatever prompt I'll use, I'll provide them all in my Telegram channel so you can copy them from there. And don't forget to explore my store, where you'll discover over 10,000 ChatGPT prompts for marketing, book writing, story crafting, YouTube scripts, titles, descriptions, and more, covering nearly all niches, which I myself also use. All right, let's come to the point. In method 1, our prompt will be something like this. Give me 30 quotes about life, motivation, being successful, or achieving greatness. The length of the quotes should be at least 6 lines. Write them in simple English language so that anyone can understand them well. And hit enter. Once you enter, ChatGPT will generate motivational quotes for you. But these quotes are too short. To increase their length, I'll write another prompt. Please add a little bit more in all quotes, and hit enter. Now see, ChatGPT has provided us with longer versions of all the quotes. If it stops somewhere, simply continue. Okay, I think this length is perfect, because if you want to make the reel go viral, the length of the reel should be between 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, let's try the second method. In this method, we'll take inspiration from a particular video, like you listen to this reel.
Stay away from these 5 types of people. The last one is the most dangerous. Number 1.
In this reel, there is talk about staying away from these 5 types of people. And at the end, a hook is added so people don't leave the video. So let's try something similar. Our prompt will be something like this. Can you give me some more motivational video ideas like this? Stay away from these 5 types of people. The last one is very dangerous. You'll see that ChatGPT will give us 10 video ideas just like that. Now, if you need more ideas like this, simply ask ChatGPT, please give 20 more. ChatGPT will write 20 more quotes for you. All right. For example, now I need to write a script on this topic. So my next prompt would be something like this. Could you write a catchy script for a short video on this topic, straight to the point? The 6 types of negative people you should avoid, number 5, will drain your happiness. ChatGPT will write a short script for you. After that, you can copy it and adjust it in Google Docs in a numbered format. All right, now we have the script. Now we need to create the video. For creating the video, I'll use Fliki Ai. By the way, Fliki Ai is currently running a spring sale where you can get a flat 50% off on the yearly plan, and this offer is only available until May 2nd. So the link and discount code are in the description below. Hurry up and grab the deal. All right, simply sign up for free on Fliki using the link below. Then create a new file. Choose video, enter the file name, choose portrait in aspect ratio, and hit submit. Perfect. Now the next part is very important, so pay attention to the video. Okay, first I need to add the script here, so I'll just copy the script and paste it here. All right, then I quickly divide all these scenes into as small parts as possible so that our video becomes engaging. And people watch the whole video. Scenes shouldn't be too short or too long. Okay, I've divided all the scenes. Next step, we'll add voiceover. Just click on voiceover and you'll find many ultra-realistic voices here. If you want to use the same common voice that all these people are using, you can choose that voice. But I would recommend you to use this voice. It's quite thick, deep, and best for motivational reels. So I'll just select it, then apply it to all scenes and hit select. All right, now this voice has been applied to all scenes. I want to increase the speed of the voice a bit. So I'll select the voice layer and then set the speed to 105 from here. I'll also untick the subtitles and apply it to all scenes. All right, now our next task is to add stock videos to all these scenes. So first, let's watch some reels. Watch this video. This person has added random clips in this video, such as nature, drone shots, aerial shots, cinematic shots, etc. This means it doesn't matter what type of video clip you're using. You can add random shots. Okay, so first you need to select scene 1. Now here you also have the option of auto pick. You can try this too. But sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. In this case, simply click on media, then you can search for stock footage here. You can also search for keywords according to the script. And you can also choose footage randomly, such as cinematic shots, drone shots, some emotional and motivational shots, forest drone shots, adventure, slow motion, etc. Fliki provides you with millions of stock media. All right, so I've now added stock footage to all the scenes. After doing all this, you need to go to settings. And you need to keep these two options checked and set the gap between scenes to 0.2 seconds so that there are not too many pauses in the video. Okay. After doing all this, simply go to download and export the video in 1080 pixels from here. Perfect. Now in the next and last step, we need to color grade this video in a dark style and also add captions to make our video motivational. All right, for this, I'll use CapCut. I'll simply import the video and a background music into CapCut. You can take motivational background music from anywhere, or you can also try trending music. Okay, so I've just taken this music from Kozik.com. Here you'll find copyright-free motivational and epic music. So I've downloaded music from here, so I'll simply add the video and music to the timeline. Then I want to use this part of the music from here. So I'll simply cut the song from here and delete the remaining parts. All right, after that, I'll decrease the volume of the background music. Then keeping the video layer selected, I'll go to adjustments. And here, I'll set the temperature, hue, and saturation to -30. Then scroll down and set the brightness to -15 and contrast to 15. Keep the shadow at -10. Again, scroll down and set the vignette to -19. Perfect. Now, our video is giving a motivational feeling. Now let's add captions. Simply go to text, then go to auto caption and generate. So our caption has been added. Now we'll customize it. So first let's center the caption, then go to text, then go to animation. And use this animation from here. Perfect. You can choose any caption style according to your preference, but this caption is trending these days, so I would suggest using this one. All right, once watch the video in full screen to see how the font looks and whether the font size is appropriate or not. All right, I think the system font doesn't look that good. I want to change the font. So for a dark reel, I think this font looks better right now, so I'll use it. Then I'll slightly decrease the font size. I'll also add a bit of shadow so that our caption is clearly visible in the reel and people can read it easily. Perfect. So now our entire work is done. Now I'll simply export the video. Now let's see the final result.
The 6 types of negative people you should avoid. Number 5 will drain your happiness. Number 1, the complainer. Their negativity knows no bounds, and they'll drag you down with their endless grievances. Number 2, the drama queen. Every day is a soap opera with this one, and their drama will become your headache. Number 3, the victim. They thrive on pity and will suck the positivity out of any situation. Number 4, the critic. Nothing is ever good enough for them.
So you see, the video is quite well made. If you upload such videos on Reels and TikTok, you will definitely see growth, and you can earn thousands of dollars. And make sure to take advantage of Fliki Ai's spring sale, otherwise, the price will increase after May 2nd. Both the link and code are available in the description below. So that's all for today. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yes, if you really want to earn money from YouTube without showing your face or using your voice, then make sure to watch this video.